Hi, it's Sammy here, and I'm very excited to share with you my version of lamb bulgogi, which is my most favourite Korean recipe, especially because I have so many fond memories of eating it with my dad when we were growing up at our local Korean restaurant. And the key ingredient for lamb bulgogi is this beautiful red pepper paste, which is called gochujang. So stick around for the dish. First up, we're going to make the marinade. Add some sugar and some sliced garlic to a bowl. Next, add in some sesame seeds, some vegetable oil, a dash of sesame oil, a pinch of white pepper, and some soy sauce. Next, my favourite ingredient, gochujang, a big healthy tablespoon. Next, add in some spring onions and give that a good mix to combine. Add in your lamb to combine and mix well. Marinate for at least 10 minutes or overnight if preferred. Then cook on a really hot pan to stir fry. Once your lamb is cooked, remove from the heat, top with some sesame seeds. Now we're going to make the dressing for the salad. Add in some soy sauce, ginger, sesame oil, and a dash of mirin, extra gochujang, and another pinch of white pepper. Whisk to combine, and then we're going to put together our salad. I've got some beautiful buttery lettuce leaves, topping it off with some julienne pear and carrot, a few slithers of spring onion sliced, and then dressing it with some beautiful spicy gochujang dressing. Top your salad with some lamb bulgogi and enjoy. Absolutely delicious.
Ooh.